We are creating the most adorable rainbow cake using Fimo clay. First, you're going to want to use 6 different colors of Fimo clay and cut them as shown. Shape them as a rainbow, layering all the colors together. Make sure the edges are really smooth. Then, in gold Fimo clay, we're going to cut out a star. Add some golden dust on top of it to make it really shiny. Then, using some white Fimo clay, we're going to cut out some cloud shape. Now, all you have to do is add details. Add the little eyes and smile onto the clouds with rosy cheeks. Cut out the shape of the rainbow in white Fimo clay. And once you have all your parts, we can start actually making the cake, adding some texture. Cut out a circle in white Fimo and all the other colors. Stack them up, starting with the white and getting all the colors of the rainbow. Add some texture. We're using a pointy tool for this. Do that for all the colors. Then we're going to be using some glue and some white resin and add it on top of it for the filling. Stack up all your decoration on top of it. With the rainbow, clouds and stars. Bake 25 minutes to 130 degrees and add some varnish to make it extra shiny. How gorgeous!